Hi friends, I'm Tirek, you're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this amazing thumbnail for your YouTube videos in the Canva. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create this thumbnail on the Canva, I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just added a new page here. So then you just go to the element section, and here you just search as gradient. So you just can search as gradient here. Just click on the search and just search as gradient, and you can find different type of gradients here, gradient shapes and colors. So you can just pick any gradient like this. The first gradient as I is talking about, just keep this gradient wherever you just swipe it, and you can just change the color. For an example here, just going to choose it as red and click on the duplicate option, and then you just rotate it like this and keep it on the other side like this and make it as a blue color, so which actually look great. Then just try to arrange gradient circle, so you can just keep the circle here and click on the duplicate option. So just keep this like this, duplicate again, and duplicate again, and duplicate again to keep it here. So now you have the page here, and just upload your PNG image like this. I just uploaded my PNG image from like this, and just keep this image here and just make it resized like this. And then you just need to make this text. Just click on the text option and just insert any text like this, and just keep this text here and resize to the portion of the center portion like this, or just keep this side and just enlarge the text here. And I just used TAN headline. The text font name I just used is TAN headline. So you can just use this and make every text as a uppercase, so it will look like great like this. So this is how I just created this thumbnail. You can just create thumbnail like this. You can see how it's look like. So it's actually really eye-picking thumbnail. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Unique. Have a wonderful day.